This client is a male in his 40s. He was shopping with his mother at a grocery store, and they were just at the checkout aisle, and he was getting ready to pay when all of a sudden he takes a bad fall at the aisle. So what happened was there was a lot of debris, there was some liquid in the aisle that wasn't cleared, and he fell hard. The hard part to this case was that just 2 months prior to this incident, he has had prior back injuries, and he actually had a CAT scan of his lower back, and it showed a herniation at the same exact level that we had a herniation for this case. You can bet that the grocery store was harping on the fact that there were prior injuries. So in those types of situations, what you want to do is first, you want to get all the medical records, including the records from his prior complaints, and have your medical expert do a comparative analysis. And you also want to prep your client well for the time of deposition so that they can differentiate the pain that he experienced prior to the incident and after the incident. He wasn't getting any back surgeries before this incident, but lo and behold, after falling, he did get a back surgery. Also, we were lucky enough that the client's mother took a picture of that debris and liquid that he slipped on, because once they clean that up, it's no longer there, and you're going to have a hard time proving exactly what he slipped on. Wanting a very speedy and expedited resolution to this case, I set up this matter for mediation, and after about 3 or 4 hours, we were able to come up with a fair offer for my client, for which he was very, very grateful. I think the important thing is just make sure that you can gather all visual evidence possible, and then you really need to be geared up during your depositions to ask the right questions, to elicit some sort of negligence from all parties involved, that they could have discovered the dangerous condition, but because they didn't, my client's life was changed forever. And that has affected me, knowing that I was able to provide him with the justice in the only way we can.